Hello and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today, we're going to compare the facing feature in BobCAD-CAM V37 and BobCAD-CAM V25. Let's start with stock definition. In version 37, the system automatically understands the shape and size of your stock. This means you don't need to create geometry to set up your facing operation. In V25, however, before setting up a facing operation, you first need to go to Other, select Rectangle, and draw a rectangle that represents your stock. Once that's done, press OK, and then you can define the operation. It's also important to note that in V25, you'll need to define the top of the part and the depth of the part. Now let's talk about the tool library. In V37, the system connects directly to your tool crib. This is a significant advantage because it allows you to have multiple tool libraries, drag and drop tools into your tool crib, and modify your tools at any time. This flexibility makes it easier to navigate the system and work more efficiently. In V25, while there is a tool crib, it doesn't connect directly to the tool library. You can only create one tool library, which limits your ability to categorize tools by manufacturer or job type. Additionally, adding tools must be done one by one, and you cannot select multiple tools simultaneously. Now let's look at patterns. In V37, you have access to adaptive roughing. This allows the tool to maintain constant contact with the material, enabling deeper, faster cuts with increased tool engagement. As a result, tools last 50 to 70% longer when cutting harder materials. In V25, the only available pattern options are zigzag or one-directional cutting. Another key feature in V27 is feed rate control. You can adjust the feed rate for lead-in and lead-out options, providing greater control over your operation. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in V25. And that wraps up our comparison of the facing operations in BobCAD-CAM V37 and V25. As you can see, both systems are quite similar, so upgrading doesn't require you to relearn the software from scratch. However, V37 offers significantly more functionality, helping you save time, extend tool life, and reduce costs.